miss it, the truth. Shadowed by hypocrisy, democracy, and hatred, we don't get a clear view of what love really is. Love is a child, so sweet, innocent, and mild. We throw the word love around like a ball, but we never hold on. We don't stop and think, come to a brink of a conclusion. We misuse it, confuse it, transform it, and torment. It's hard to know what love really is until you see it, or better yet, be it. But how? In a broken world with so much quarrel, where we fight and ignite but don't sympathize or compromise, we can't see because we're blinded. So find it we must. So what is love? Is it being just, or is it more? Is it meaning, emotion, devotion, and care? Going to our Heavenly Father in prayer and asking for guidance to help the oppressed. It's about not being obsessed with materialistic objects. Helping those in need that live in the projects. Yes, it's a brand new kind of prospect. But not for ourselves, not just for me, no. For we, for us as a whole. Realizing the toll of the wars. Saying no more will innocents die for being in the way. No more will we kill, looking like a vicious lion and its prey. No more will we ignore all of those suffering today. 16,000. 16,000 is the number of children that die a day from starvation. We must make a cessation of our stagnation. Love is to exceed the duty of helping those in need, being His hands and feet, and not going with the beat of this world, but making a new verse to the song. One that is adverse and one that is inverse. It's putting the gears in reverse and saying, yes, I will help those who thirst, and not always trying to be first, but living to be last and being first to serve. It's about getting out of your comfort zone and saying, I don't care if I'm alone. And it's about not doing all this just once or twice. No, it's from the heart. So what is love? It's sacrifice. Thank you, guys.